welcome back. Please like, subscribe and hit that bell button down below to see all the latest videos that we have coming up. So today I decided to make some American style chocolate chip cookies, so watch out for this. You'll need a mixture of 3/4 cup of white and brown sugar. You'll need 1 cup of self-rising flour, half a cup of melted butter, 1 egg and some chocolate chips. What we're going to do, we're going to take our melted butter and our sugar, we're going to mix it together with a mixer, get it to be nice and fluffy. Then we add in our eggs, mix that, then we fold in our flour, add in our chocolate chips, scoop them out onto the pan, put it into the oven at 180 degrees for about 10 to 12 minutes, and there we have it. So our cookies are out of the oven. So what I did, I actually took, instead of the whole scoop, I took half the scoop and I started making little blobs of cookies, and I put in the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes, and after that we got these nice massive cookies. So actually I'm quite glad that these cookies actually weren't the size of the scoop, because also they were just like all amalgamated together when they was in the oven. So it actually came out quite great, and as you can see in the middle there, the chocolate's quite nice and like spread out quite nicely, so it's actually really tasty. It's actually great to have with a cup of tea right now. So I'm gonna love you and leave you, so please don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell button to see all the latest videos that are coming up next.